this? A company has invented a smart condom that can rate your performance in the bedroom. Rate your performance. It's sex. It's not Strictly. How was that for you? 7? Who wants to be reviewed by Johnny? Just sat in the bin like that.
A very poor performance from how hard? I'd give him a soft 5, which is exactly what he gave her.
It's mental. And it doesn't just rate you, it shows you the amount of calories you're burning, your session duration, your girth, your speed, and the number of thrusts. We've invented a Fitbit for dicks. And this is the maddest bit. Users will have the option to share their recent data with their friends. Who, in their right mind, is going to share their fuck stats with a pal? What if your family find out? How awkward would that be during Sunday dinner? You enjoying your nut roast, Nan?
That's what your Johnny said. Says here you're 67 thrusts, man, with an average dick speed of 6 miles an hour.
Not that everyone gets on with technology. Look at this idiot.
Firefighters spent an hour freeing an internet prankster who cemented his head inside a microwave oven at a house in Wolverhampton.
Look at it. Look at this, man. Look. He looks like a Poundland stormtrooper. Did you see the footage? It is spellbinding.
Oh my... Bro, that's solid. That is solid. Bro, that's so mad. Bro, you're facing the wrong way.
They finally got me out, and I've never appreciated life so much, ever.
I've never appreciated life so much. You don't know what it's like to be alive until you've been a ready meal. When they got me head out, they made me stand for 30 seconds. Imagine if he had died. You know, at the end of the funeral, what his mates would have gone, ding! And just stabbed the coffin with a fork.